In busy modern society, there is something that terrorizes everyone. It is stress. Most of everyone is being controlled by stress. Stress is biggest reason for neuropsychic disorder and the main cause for the neurosis. Hysterical and depression is the most common symptom for neurosis. This may not seem as serious matter, however, it has huge effect in our daily lives. So today in Oriental Medical Digest, let's find the cure and prevention and reason for neurosis. Neurosis is a disorder that can attack anybody regardless of age or gender. Especially in the modern society of ours, increasing number of people are suffering from neurosis. So Dr. Kim, what causes neurosis and is it physically noticeable?
Neurosis is a disease that is caused by the psychological and physical pains related to the stresses of life. The causes of such stress are due to marital problems, stress in the workplace, and stress from school. Patients with neuroses caused by these stress factors will exhibit loss of appetite, sleeping problems, discomfort in the chest, and uneasiness.
The needle used in acupuncture therapy is applied on the various part of the body. For treating neurosis, ear acupuncture therapy is used. The needle is applied on the 신문혈, which is affected the headache, insomnia, and hysteria. The needle is also applied on the kidney point, which is connected to the kidneys, and the heart point, which is connected to the heart. And also, the sleep point is used for inducing sleep. This is because neurosis disorder that is accompanied by insomnia. Depending on circumstance, smaller needle is used for treatment. This is because it's easy to carry. Is there a reason for using two different types of needles?
This method has almost no difference in effect and acupuncture points with the longer needles. It's simply used because it can be carried out at all times for patients in need of sustained treatment. And patients who have difficulty coming to the hospital also use the smaller needles.
3 acupuncture points in the arms and legs are also used in treating neurosis. The acupuncture point differ depending on a patient's physical constitution. Patients who have major stress are treated with acupuncture, 1 in the arm area and 2 in the leg area. The needle is first applied on the inner part of the elbow. The needle is applied on the leg or acupuncture on the back part of the ankle, a little bit above the big toe. These have good effect in stabilizing the mind. These are also essential for neurosis patients who are introspective. In case of patients who are insensible to stress but have severe physical symptoms, need acupuncture, 2 on the arm and 1 on foot area. In the arm, the needles are applied mainly near the wrist area. The first needle is applied about 4 centimeters above the inner wrist. The other is applied a little bit away from the artery in the wrist. The needle applied on the foot is acupuncture 3 centimeters above the position where the big and second toe meets. These acupuncture points have effect of clearing the tangled mind caused by stress. In modern society, it is very normal for a person to be under heavy stress. However, it really depends on each person to handle the situation in different manner. So let's see how Oriental medicine handles neurosis by simple medicinal therapy. Medicinal therapy is also important in neurosis treatment. This medicine is called 분신기음. It is used when circulation organ inside the body are not smooth.
Punshin-Kium is a medicinal therapy that penetrates the blocked area of the body or the area where the flow of qi is not smooth. The representative ingredient in this medicinal therapy is the 백복신. This herb has the effect of calming the mind and is good for the treatment of neurosis. There is another medicinal therapy called kamisoyosan, which cools the increasing heat in the body when the mind is excited. The representative ingredients in this medicinal therapy are the hyangbuja and chija. Hyangbuja helps the circulation of qi, and chija is an herb that lowers the temperature of the body. Other than these, there is a pill called kyogamdan, which is made up of 백복신, hyangbuja, and yongne. This is taken twice a day. But if the symptoms are severe, it is taken with bunchinggium and kamisoyosan.
Aquamassage therapy is also used in Oriental medicine to treat neurosis. Aquamassage therapy helps the blood circulation and internal organ activities by shaking the back. When the blood circulation is enhanced, it refreshes the body, providing the body with oxygen and nutrition, and getting rid of waste in the body. And it will also naturally dissolve the headache by loosening the muscle of the body for the people who have headache caused by tension.
The treatment for neuroses take effect 1 to 3 months after acupuncture and medicinal therapy. When therapy is applied steadily, the patient will feel no inconvenience in everyday life. But the most important thing is the patient's attitude. The patient's will to overcome stress is the most important part of the treatment.
The management of patient stress is the most important thing. The easiest way is by stretching, which can be done home at or work. First, open the feet about shoulder width and grab the knee. Try to put the head on the thigh. Keep the neck and the head loose while doing the stretching. Doing it slowly is very important. And always stretch until you feel the tension of the muscle. Stay in this position for about 10 seconds. Repeat this twice until your head can grab the toes. The second movement is also done while opening the feet about shoulder width. Slowly bring up the arms and stretch. Maintain this position in maximum state of 10 seconds. While doing this movement, keep the heels fixed and stretch every part of the arms. Exercise has a good effect on stress management. This is because exercise has tension reduction effect. Exercise also decreases acute chronic tension by appropriately using the muscles. Especially aerobic exercise, which use a lot of oxygen, are good for dissolving the stress. Exercise which are done steadily and slowly, like jogging, cycling, and swimming, are typical aerobic exercises. Exercise should be done 3 times a week for at least 20 minutes for a good effect. Drinking Chinese date tea frequently is also a good prevention method for neurosis. Chinese date are good for relieving the stress and loosening the tension muscle caused by stress. It also has good sleeping effect for neurosis patients who also have insomnia. As we all know, most important part about life is taking the situation lightly and get over it wisely. And let's not depend on smoking or drinking as a problem solution, because it may make the situation worse. Thanks for joining us today, and see you again next time.